Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Sir, I'm very sorry to disturb you, sir.
No problem. No problem.
Sir, please, I'm on my way to Bright Iserere's birthday. His best friend, Presley Osagede, aka Sir Etine, invited me, sir. Sir, please, on my way, the bus I entered had an accident. And I'm the only person who survived the accident, sir. Sir,
you're lucky.
I even lost my wallet during the process. Yes, sir. Sir, please, any amount you can give me so that I can go back to Ogun State, I would really appreciate it, sir. Anything at all. God will bless you. God will bless your father and your mother, sir. Anything at all, sir.
Amen.
Please, sir.
I know you now.
Sir, me?
This man, he can use same format. You don't use format for me 4 times for this same street.
For this 4 times. Baba, you good. Person will get accident, suit no stay.
So you don't know your client.
I no verse. I'm sorry, sir.
No.
Verse?
We not a verse, so. But you say that accident will use your body fine, so you go see him.
Amen.
You see him, you see him.
Amen.
Something to the world on for head. Now go get accident. You think how they enjoy this work, what they do? Instead, when I go to say, I don't get money to give person, una dey wish una head accident. If you are not careful, you will suffer for 600 years. Bet me. It's yours.
More grace.
More grace to you too.
You will go far.
You will go far too.